Our drywall installation is complete in the house. Everything's been taped and sanded, so we're ready for primer. The paint crew's here today to get ready to prime everything, and we're going to move forward.
Before starting the application, our painters have to prep our home. Windows are wrapped, our radiant floors are covered with paper, and any other openings such as electrical boxes are filled to protect the work done by our other trades. After that, we're ready for our primer coat.
The idea of the primer is to seal the walls, give the top coat an adhesive property, and also to create a surface so that the finish coat is not absorbed into the wall to give you a nice even finish. The product we're using today, it's a zero VOC product that is designed basically for new construction. So it has great adhesive properties, it has great touch-up, low light reflectancy, some durability. So it's a great product for this type of project.
It's going to be a sprayed finish, and then they're going to back roll. So obviously with the spraying there, they have to wear the protective gear, respirator, things like that, and I'm not ready to gear up for all that, so I'll let them handle that, do the job properly, and make sure everything's done correctly.
Typically the market has changed quite a bit, where in the past we would go into a job and we would use oil-based paint for primers or for wall covering. We would use oil-based paints for the doors and for the frames. Now with the zero VOC, they've really taken a step ahead and made it more health conscious for the guys in the field, because if you're in that for 30 or 35 years, you can come out with a lot of problems towards the end. So in this house, they're all zero VOCs.
VOCs are volatile organic compounds. They're molecules that are evaporated out of the paint during the curing or coalescing process of the products. The low VOC and zero VOC products are now becoming the industry standard. All these technologies exist now and have really advanced us to where we are today with the zero VOC technologies. It's really eliminating the solvents and things that were in paints of the past, where new resins have been developed, new technologies have been developed in order to actually eliminate and enhance the air quality. You no longer have to worry about the solvents that were coming out of paints of the past, where you have the new technologies that have been virtually eliminated from those products.
They're no better or no worse than the other paints we used to use. People would think, well, we're not using oil-based paint, so it's not as durable, and that's completely false. But they've developed different systems to make the paints more durable, even though they are a latex paint and zero VOC, to give you the same finish, to give you the same lasting time with the paints on the walls and on the trim and on the doors.
I think we used about 140 gallons as a primer for the entire home, and we use probably a little bit less as a finish coat, but not too far off of that.